Do you like sangria? Do you like shots?
Well, we're making Sangria shots.
Shot, 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 shot. Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
Before we get started with today's episode, we want to make sure you subscribe to our channel. All right, we're on the road to 50.
50.
Make sure you stay to the end of the video to check out all our bloopers, because that's personally one of my favorite parts of the video.
Not mine.
Kareem, what do we got for them today?
Today, this video was brought to my attention, his attention, and your attention by Bad Birdy. Check out her content. She does some amazing videos.
She's not affiliated with us. We're not sponsored by her. We like what she does, so we wanted to try to recreate the video.
Yes.
With a twist.
Please.
So we're making shots.
Then on that note,
let's get started. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take about half an ounce of lime juice. So we have fresh lime. I'm going to eyeball this a little bit and just, whatever comes out, comes out.
So, Brew Broz philosophy. Yeah, there's recipes, but we're going to do what we do.
And that's probably a quarter of an ounce. I'm going to do one more. Fumble! Now, because I'm a professional, we're going to continue the episode right here. So, let us remake some more lime juice. And I'll try not to hit stuff this time.
Or waste lime juice.
So, to recap, we're doing about half an ounce of lime juice. We're going to do half an ounce of some lemon juice. And we're going fresh again.
Why fresh?
Fresh is just so much better in flavor. Some of the other stuff is very concentrated, and you have to adjust the ratios a little bit. So fresh to me just has a better taste to it, and you don't have to really mess with the ratio too much. My shirt's very wet right now and sticky. We are going to also do... I just dropped my ingredients. We're going to do half an ounce of some simple syrup. We're using cinnamon simple syrup. So we just did our cinnamon syrup. Now we're going to do about 3/4 of an ounce of some pineapple juice. I couldn't find the regular organic pineapple juice I got, but you know what? I'm using the next best thing right now. So 3/4 of an ounce of some pineapple juice. We're going to include 2 dashes of some bitters. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of a brandy. And if those of you don't know, Hennessy is actually a brandy. What I didn't realize is that brandy just means an alcohol fermented from a fruit. And apparently Hennessy is one of those. It's just considered a cognac type of alcohol.
Anything's possible.
3/4 of an ounce of a brandy or Henny.
Cognac.
And we're going to use 2 ounces of whatever your favorite red wine is as a sangria. Make sure you take a look at some of our other videos, because we're using this to make a couple different things. So take a look in our description or somewhere on the video itself, posted somewhere. Okay. Now I'm going to add some ice cubes to this because I want to chill down the drink itself. Make sure I mix everything together. And here we have our Sangria shots. All right, so now we have our shots. Let's do the taste test. Being that it's shots, obviously we have to shoot it back, right? So let's see how good this came out. Kareem.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
Ooh. Brew Broz scale 1 to 5. Kareem, what do you give these shots?
I'm going to give it a 4.5.
4.5? Really?
Yes.
So, being that I eyeballed the citrus, it was a little citrus heavy for me.
Yes.
All right.
Definitely.
And that comes through a lot. The Hennessy was very well blended in.
Yes.
I didn't taste it at all.
You couldn't taste Hennessy at all.
Is this a crushable drink for you?
Definitely.
Would you make this again?
Definitely.
So, let us know what you think in the comments below. Let us know if you tried our Sangria shots.
And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Take a look at our bloopers because something funny really happened today.
Anything is possible.
And what is this? Who does this drink come from originally?
Bad Birdy.
Big shout out to Bad Birdy. She is not a sponsor, but we like the drink that she made and we turned into a
And
shot.
she makes some dope content.
Yes, she does. Take a look in the description below because we're going to adjust the portions to a shot recipe.
And on that note, everybody,
Peace out, everybody.
stay fly.
Do you like sangria? Do you like shots?
Well, we're making Sangria shots.
Shot! Intro.
Brew Broz philosophy. Yeah, there's recipes, but we're going to do what we do.
And that's probably quarter of an ounce. I'm going to do one more. Fumble! I just spilled all over myself. Cut. That's gonna be in the bloopers. Oh, son of a bitch.